Welcome to the shop, my friends. Steve here at SKS Props, and in today's video, I'm going to cover a question that I get all the time, and that is, how do I print off your templates to make the amazing things that you do? And I'm going to tell you, it's extremely easy, because the questions I usually get are, what paper size do I use? I don't have a large format printer. Do I need to take this to Kinko's or FedEx? And the answer is no. My templates can be printed off regardless of what paper size you use, what printer you have, it does not matter. So two ways that templates can be made. Some makers that are out there will take a piece of paper and they'll have each individual piece or several pieces on one sheet. I don't do it like that. If you notice mine, I have one giant PDF and then it's broken down in Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader into poster. And what that will do is it will separate that over multiple sheets, and then all you have to do is tape them together. So, for instance, we have Chainsaw Man here, right? Chainsaw Man is a ton of different parts to go together to make this particular helmet, specifically 12 pages worth to make this helmet. So the way that I do this is that you're going to download the PDF from my website. You're going to open it in Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader. Reader is free to use. You're going to go over here to print. Now here you have lots of different options. The only one that we're really going to be concerned with here is poster. Poster is going to separate this PDF over multiple sheets regardless of your paper size or the printer that you use. Once I have that, I hit print, I go over to my printer, I collect the sheets, and now I have all of my sheets. I'm just going to tape them all together. Now if you notice on these pages there's a slight border, what I like to do is go and trim off one side of it. That way I can tape them together and these lines are fully flush. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So that's all you need to do. Download my templates, open them in Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader, click poster, print them out, and bam, you have your template. Now, if you are building any of my builds or utilizing some HD foam, be sure to tag me at SKS Props on Twitter and Instagram because I want to see your creations. Until next time, build your best with the best. HD foam.